Welcome. 10 minutes, low impact chair exercises for you today. We're going to boost our mood, elevate our energy, build strength, and so much more. I'm going to be exceptionally quiet today as there's a family of owls right near me. I don't want to disrupt them. I'll let this beautiful old church, which I will put in the description all about it, speak for itself. Just follow along and let's move together. Tap it out. A little bit of peace today. You don't have to listen to me as much. See if you can't hear the baby owl. Chair workouts, just a reminder that movement is always available. Just one of these moves throughout the day, just to build strength, balance, so much more. Next, bend. Bend as deep as you can. And bring the shoulders together. Just go. Maybe lift your head up high. Get a nice stretch in the neck as well. Since we're by this beautiful church, a little prayer posture, but squeeze together, create a tremendous amount of force. You can feel that in your arms. And while we're doing that, heel digs. So move the lower body and really squeeze the hands together. Where you're praying for it to stop. Yeah, hands start to shake a bit. Squeeze, push them together. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Shake those arms out. Brilliant. I'm going to come to the edge of my chair bench. If we're doing a chair workout, we got to do seated jacks. You can go quickly, slow it down. You could even just go to one side if you like, whatever works for you. Just move. Reach those hands together as close as you can. Feel that good stretch. Maybe we'll just pick it up a bit. Did you hear that? I don't think it's appreciating me. 1. Yes. Shake, shake, shake. If we're on our chair, you know, we gotta do some chair squats. Just nice and easy. What I would like to do is add a nice twist at the top. body's flow, do what's best for you. And let's keep into this. Strong legs, sharp mind. You got it. You are strong. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Top of your chair, bottom side, wherever. Push-ups, let's keep building strength. Maybe you just want to hold a plank. It's up to you. Choose your own adventure. Just holding a plank is amazing for building strength. Just keep a flat back. If you can sink a little bit, wonderful. Maybe you go a little bit deeper. We're moving, we're building strength. Hello, little bird. Let's stretch it out. Just take your time. I love this stretch. You feel the whole body. Remember, you can always do this on a countertop, on your couch, anywhere. Just feel the entire body stretching. Bend your knees as much as you like. Just tap the toes as best you can. Engage your core. Couple core strengthening exercises to finish off. Just bring all your presence into this moment. Even when I want to be quiet, I can't. It's for the endorphins. It's just boost the mood to move. Let's just move more often. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Quicker. 1. Last thing. Just sit up straight. Engage your core. Elbow to knee. Sit up nice and tall. Let's just take it all in. Maybe it's a time of prayer for you if that resonates. Let's just take a minute just to fully be in the now. keep showing up. Life is beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to do this again tomorrow. See you then. Goodbye.